On the very special occasion of International Women's Day, our school is organizing 3 days of free martial arts defense training program in collaboration with AIBSK trainer Mrs. Anju Bagh. Considering the great tradition of the female warriors of our country like Rani Lakshmibai, Rani Durgavati, etc. I think it will send a very strong message in the society that the women are no longer weak. They are strong, they will be stronger, and they will remain stronger always. Thank you.
Virtue and worth cannot be described in words, but their efforts should be appreciated. And for that reason, we are organizing an appreciation program on International Women's Day for the women of our society. I welcome you all to be the part of this special occasion, and for the women, I would like to say Janni Janma Bhumish Swargadepi Garyasi. Thank you.
For the first time, we are organizing an International Women's Day.
On this auspicious occasion, we all are inviting to you.
Welcome